Realtors, ready to land on Boardwalk every time? Use HEIA to renovate and prosper. Attention Realtors. Imagine every listing in your portfolio being one dice roll away from Boardwalk, the crown jewel of the Monopoly board. What if you had a secret weapon to transform listings into treasure troves of wealth? Enter Home Equity Invoice Agreements, the strategy powering big paydays with no dice needed. HEIA stands for Home Equity Invoice Agreement. It's your all-access pass to property renovations with homeowners without loans or upfront costs. Sellers unlock equity to fund upgrades instead of cash. Contractors work for property's equity while providing self-accountable quality. And you, the savvy agent, earn from the added shared equity. Picture this: outdated listings turned into dream homes that sell faster and at top dollar prices. With HEIA, you win the renovation real estate game while sellers and contractors rave about the results. From kitchens to curb appeal, every property is one step closer to Boardwalk ready with a Home Equity Invoice Agreement. Here's the best part: it's not rocket science. HEIA keeps everyone invested, literally. Sellers see higher offers, contractors deliver superior craftsmanship, and you lock commissions while gaining equity stakes. It's a win-win-win formula that's as satisfying as landing on Park Place with hotels. Now it's time to roll the dice on your success. Ready to turn your listings into unbeatable Boardwalk properties? Join our Home Equity Invoice Agreement Masterclass to discover how you can unlock equity, boost earnings, and dominate your market. Don't wait, this is your game-changing move. Grab your Home Equity Invoice Agreement Liaison license today.